Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to toggle on or off the Display HUD Shortcut Key setting in Nioh 3. Let's begin by opening the System menu. From there, navigate to Basic Game Settings. Here, swap to the second to last page, as you can see by the dots on the bottom of the menu. After that, you can turn on or off the Display HUD Shortcut Key. Simply pick whatever option you prefer. I'll stick with on, and then simply press back to confirm. Press back once again, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.